What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. keep on moving on.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head.
That's the end of day 16 at Monkey Island. It was a nice place to visit. Obviously no monkeys, but it was very pleasant. And back onto Route 66. Route 66. Unfortunately, it was a long old day. Lots of straight roads. One road was straight for 30 miles. So not a lot to report on this day. The only thing that we looked at is we tried to find a decent campsite. We couldn't find any decent campsites, so we went on our old faithful Airbnb and found a really nice small holding to stay at tonight. So we're going to be locked up here for a couple of days because we've got cleaning and washing, should I say, and just general maintenance to do. And then onwards and upwards, back onto Route 66 again. I'm going to recap the map of the state to show you where we've got to now. So start again back at the beginning, as you can see, Washington, Harvest Ferry, so on and so forth. All we came up to Indianapolis. Indianapolis, as I said in the last video, we headed down to St. Louis, then it was down to Springfield, all the way down to here. Then went past Springfield and stayed at a little place. It's not marked on the map, it's called Monkey Island, so that was last night. And then we headed up, and we've gone all the way through Tulsa today, and we stay outside Oklahoma City. And then the plan is to head over towards Amarillo, still on Route 66. Amarillo, we're probably going to start heading north up to the place I couldn't remember last time, because I probably had too many beers to drink, up towards Colorado and Colarado Springs. Okay, that's where we are for now.
Like a narration, don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.